This is the celery, and this is the curly parsley. This is the spinach or the palak we say, and this is the green cabbage. This is the green cabbage. This is the basil. Basil smells so good. This is the small basil plant that is growing. This is the basala we use for dal or salads. This is the micro mustard leaves. This also you can use for salads. Within a week this has grown like this so beautifully. Just you need to sprinkle some mustard seeds and some soil on that and spray some water every day generously, and you will get to see this kind of growth.